Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. This is day 64 of 1000. Hey, and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you stick around. If you've been here before, welcome back. It's really good to have you. For all my new viewers, this channel is all about investing money and being all in on Tesla no matter what. So join me on my journey to make $1 million in 1000 days. That's right. Join me on my journey to make $1 million in 1000 days. So in today's video, I'm going to be going through the following. I'm going to be sharing my day 64 portfolio with you. It's been a roller coaster ride. I'm also going to be looking at the Nasdaq and the Tesla charts to see where the price may be headed to. And I'm also going to be looking at the MMCD, RSI and candlesticks. So let's get into it. So it's day 64, 24th of February 2022, two portfolios A and B. In portfolio A, I've just got over 121 shares. In portfolio B, I've just got under 91 shares. So in total, I have 211.8 shares. So just under 212. My ultimate target is to build my position to 300 shares. So I'm about 70.6% of the way there. I've got another 29% to go, so I'm hoping to get there sooner than later now that Tesla price is going down in value. So that's the total number of shares that I hold in Tesla. So what's been happening to Tesla? So it's day 64 of 1000. So as you can see, price plummeted today. So it opened up at $700. So that was such a shock. It went down because of the Ukraine-Russia conflict, escalation. The price just, fell and it opened at 700, but throughout the day it's actually been improving. It's been going up, and you'll see on the chart, and now it's actually in positive territory. So I think at the time of recording this, it's up about 3%. So if I take this value, which is $759, and I multiply it by the number of shares that I hold, which is just under 212, I have a total portfolio value of $160,995.63. So just under $161,000. So the daily movement downward is $876, but as you can see from the chart, it started off really low at 700, and it's been improving ever since. So that's day 64 of 1000. So let's get into the technical analysis. So let's have a look at the Nasdaq 1 year chart. So I've got the chart there in candlesticks. I've got the MA200 in red, MA50 in blue, and as you can see, if I zoom in, MA50 has crossed under MA200. So that's a bearish signal. And now if we look at what's happened today, price actually opened at the support line that I drew, so just above 12,500, and then what happened, it shot up above 1300. So it's been an amazing day. It's been a reversal, but I think there's still weakness in the market. So this could be just people trying to get in at low prices. They don't care if it goes down even further. They're going to get in even lower. So this is like long-term investors coming in and buying stocks at really low prices. So I wouldn't be surprised if it goes down to 12,500 again, or even breaks that down and goes to 12,000. It's still a great opportunity for long-term investors to buy at these levels. So that's the Nasdaq 1 year chart. So let's have a look at the Tesla 1 year chart now. So very similar to the Nasdaq, if we zoom in, you'll be able to see that it hit the support at 700. It opened there, and then it's been going up ever since, and it's recaptured the 775 level and gone above that. So it's been a good movement upwards, and it's shown that it's got a lot of strength. A lot of bulls are coming in. A lot of people are interested in this stock. So this is, if you got in at 700 and the price reverses here, that would have been an amazing buy for you, because long term, this is a fantastic company. It has so much growth ahead of it. Fundamentally, nothing has changed from the previous week or the previous month. They are still on track to increase by 50% every year. They are executing well. The company is financially sound. They have got so much money, and this is just a reflection of all the fear, anxiety, and depression in the market. So hopefully people are going to realize that this is a fantastic stock, and then they're going to try to drive the prices back up. So that's the Tesla 1-year chart. So let's have a look at the RSI analysis now. So again, RSI is coming down to all-time lows. It's at 32.89 at the moment. If it goes below the 30 level, you know, it doesn't reach this level all the time. So there's been a handful of times Tesla has reached this level. So again, this is a great buying opportunity. Anything below 40 for me is a great buying opportunity. If it goes down to 30 or below, then again, it's a great buying opportunity. So if you're a long-term investor, if you've always said you wanted to be in Tesla and you said it's priced too high, this may be an ideal opportunity for you to establish a position and then dollar cost average into the stock and then buy when the stock is dipping. So that's exactly what I've been doing, and I built this position of 212 shares. And you know, I've been doing it by dollar cost averaging into the share and buying when it's dipping. So at the moment, my cost basis is around $814. It's returned to these prices. So if it goes down even lower, it's going to be better for me because I can buy this stock at really low prices. So that's the RSI analysis on Tesla. Let's have a look at the MACD analysis now. So as you can see, the red line and the black line are diverging faster. They're getting away from each other faster and they're going down. If you have a look at the histogram as well, it's gone down to minus 10.075. So it's getting down quite fast. So it depends on how much the market improves today and what's going to happen tomorrow. If tomorrow opens and there's more carnage in the market, then this divergence is going to increase and the MACD histogram is going to keep on going lower. So again, the bears are in control. Today has been a great recovery, but again, you know, it's too soon to tell if this is the reversal and there may be more pain ahead. So just be aware of that. Have a plan in your mind. What are you going to do at each level? What are you going to do when it reaches these prices? So if you had a plan in mind, if the price reaches 700 and you had some cash available, this was a perfect opportunity for you to deploy that plan. So, you know, be very mechanical about it. Don't be emotional. Tesla is a fantastic company. It's not going to go bankrupt overnight. They have, you know, tons of cash in their bank. They have tons of demand for their product. They have tons of growth ahead. So do not be concerned about the fundamentals of the company. The fundamentals of the company are sound. The only time you should be worried is when the fundamentals are being, you know, tested. So if the fundamentals were tested and the price is going down, I would give this, you know, I would second think what I'm doing. So if the fundamentals are the same as what they were previously and the price is going down just because there's fear in the market, this is your opportunity to actually buy and, you know, buy this company at great prices. So this is the MACD analysis on Tesla. Let's have a look at the candlestick analysis. So as you can see, the price jumped from 700 all the way down up to above 775 now. So this is a humongous white candle which shows like a lot of bulls have entered the market. But again, what I keep on saying is it is too soon to think this is the reversal point. Again, what could happen, it could have a mini rally and then there's more escalation between Russia and Ukraine. Things get out of hand and then it goes down even more. So if you have cash available, buy at the support levels, buy at these strategic levels and keep on doing it. And eventually when the stock market, when Tesla reverses, you will be rewarded very handsomely. So that's the Tesla candlestick analysis. So what are the key points to remember? Tesla plunged to 700. So the first key point to remember is that Tesla plunged to 700 at the open because of the crisis in Ukraine, and now price has significantly fallen below the MA200 level. So it's heavily discounted and the market has recovered, but this may be temporary. So the second point to remember is MACD cross under is diverging wider and the histogram is gone into negative territory. So the bears are in control. So there may be a rally today, but is it going to continue? That's the question. But the bears are in control at the moment. RSI has dipped to 32 and it may fall further. So if RSI moves under 30, it is a fantastic opportunity. I think I looked at the chart and there's only a handful of times the RSI reached under 30 for Tesla. So if you bought at these points and you bought big and you bought hard, then you would have been rewarded handsomely. So again, this is another fantastic opportunity. There's so much fear in the market, so much anxiety. This is the time to go out shopping. So, you know, if you do have cash available, this is a really good time to consider getting into these fantastic stocks. So those are the key points to remember. So what are my buying levels? I've had to adjust my buying levels. So my first buying level was 850, that was broken. Then 824 broken, then 725, that was broken, and it's gone all the way down to 700. So if you were able to buy at 700, I salute you. That was a great price to buy. You know, you never know, that might be the turning point, or it could go down higher. But if it is the turning point, that is an amazing price to buy at. So those are my buying levels. So what is my plan now? So I'm going to continue dollar cost averaging into Tesla shares and buying at regular intervals no matter what. If I have more money coming in, I'm going to buy even more. I'm going to keep buying at the support levels, and I'm going to try and buy as much as possible under $1,000 near the MA200. So it's broken the MA200, so that's even better. So finally, I'm not going to sell my position. For me, this is a forever stock. I'm going to keep it over the long term. There is so much upside, and Tesla is giving everyone another golden opportunity to get in at these really depressed prices. Tesla was down about 40% from its all-time high when it went down to $700, but now it's recovered again. So, you know, 40% discount from the all-time high. So this is a great place to establish a position. So that's my plan for now. So, you know, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you enjoyed these updates. And, you know, join me on my journey. Join me to see if I can build my position to 300 shares. Join me on my journey to see if I can, you know, keep this position open for at least 1,000 days. And join me to see if I'm able to reach my price target of 3,400. And, you know, join me to see if I can make $1 million in 1,000 days. And finally, I appreciate any likes, and I'll read all your comments. I appreciate your subscription. I hope to bring you value, and I wish you all the best on your investment journey. And until the next update, have a great day, and I wish you all the best.